What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install OneFootball app on your Android phone. Go ahead and open up the Play Store, guys, and use the search and type in OneFootball, right? Once you start to type that in, you'll find OneFootball app, and you can easily go ahead and install that on your phone. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set this up once you install that on your phone. So let's just give this a moment to install on my phone. Alright guys, as you can see, the app is finished installing, or it's currently installing. Now it's done, and just go ahead and click on open. Right now, once you open up the OneFootball app, you just need to go ahead and click on accept, and you can choose from one of those teams. You can search for a team at the top, or if your favorite team is in the list of these popular clubs, you can select it. I'm going to select Barcelona. Click on next right here. You can choose if you want to follow a national team. So I don't know, I'm gonna just choose, let's see, I can skip this for now. And yeah, you can basically go ahead and add anything else that you might want to add there. You can choose another suggested club. I'm going to skip that for now and just select Barcelona. Now from here you can easily go ahead and sign in with your Gmail account if you want to. You don't have to, guys, really. You can simply click and skip on the upper right hand side. Here you can choose if you want to get notifications. I'm going to just allow it for now. And as you can see right here, I am signed into the OneFootball app. There is news about Barcelona or whichever club that you choose to follow, and that's it. Now let me quickly show you around. You have home, you have games, and basically the game section basically show you matches, right? Not only matches from your club, but it shows you the top leagues around, so you can easily track those what's going on live for live football matches. Right now the other side is TV, and that's basically videos of different games that happen. You can see basically some video clips or highlights or live matches or something like that you can find in the app as well. On the upper right hand side you have like a search. You can search right there. You have your profile on the upper left hand side as well, so you can sign in, so you can manage your profile better. And on the upper right you have your club, so you can select a national team. You can select to follow certain leagues and so forth like that, right? So you can just like them, and you basically will be able to follow and track all the sports from each and every one of those. You can click your club logo as well to follow what's going on with the club. And yeah, the drop down allows you to basically add more. But it's super simple, guys. Super simple and super easy to use. That's how to install the OneFootball app on your phone and how to get started with it.